In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page to another project in Canva. Whether you're working on a design for social media, crafting a presentation, or putting together a personal project, knowing how to seamlessly transfer your designs from one project to another can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Canva and navigate to your dashboard where all your designs are housed. Here, locate the project that contains the page you want to copy and click on it to open the project. Once inside, scan through your design pages until you identify the specific page you wish to transfer. Now that you've found it, look towards the right-hand side of your screen. There should be a few icons available for your use. Find the Copy Page icon, which often resembles a small square overlapping another, and click on it. After clicking the Copy Page icon, Canva will duplicate the page within the same project immediately. This serves as a confirmation that you've successfully copied the page. The next step involves taking this duplicated page and moving it into a different project. To do so, locate the downloaded, copied page within your current project. Once it is highlighted, pay a visit to the File tab, found at the topmost part of your workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, look for and select Make a Copy. This action will create a separate copy of the design. Now that you have the separate copy file, it's time to move it to the desired project. Return to your home dashboard by clicking on the Home button or navigate manually. Choose the project where you want to transfer this page into by clicking on Create a Design, or simply open the desired project if it already exists. With the chosen project open, glance towards the left-hand side panel. Look for the Uploads section. This is where you can upload various media, including files from other projects. Click Upload and then select your copied page file from the Downloads folder or where it's been stored on your computer. This file is now being uploaded into the current project. Once the upload is complete, your duplicated page will be visible in the current project. At this point, you can simply drag and drop it into the right spot within the project timeline or section that you're working on. And there you have it. Your page is now moved and ready to be edited further or finalized in this new project context. As you can see, breaking the process down into manageable steps makes it easier to follow. Transferring pages in Canva isn't just simple, but efficient, allowing you to manage and streamline your design work like a pro. So go ahead, practice these steps, and watch your design workflow become even more organized and fluid. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!